Practice end with C. C for concept, a thing, a noun. Practice ends with S. S for show action, it's a verb. Practice IC, that means end with C, an activity, a thing, a session, or the process of improving a skill. Let's see examples. Your practice is improving. Here, practice IC is a noun, a thing, an activity. Next, I need more practice. This is also a noun, it's an activity, a thing. Now, we explain practice ends with S. It means to do an activity, to train, or to perform. It's so an action, it's a verb. Now see the examples with IAC. I practice English every day. Here the practice is a verb. It shows the action. C practices singing. Here subject C is doing the activity. C is performing something. So verb practices. She practices singing. Regular blank builds confidence. Regular describes a noun. So use practice. Regular practice builds confidence. You must blank reading aloud every day. Must followed by verb V1. So here use practice verb. The students blank hard before the final exam. Here the students do an activity. So verb practice will be used here. Doctors blank surgeries many times during training. Here doctors do something. So use verb form practice. Doctor practice surgeries many times during training. Next, the school arranged an extra practice session. Here use noun practice ICE. Write one sentence using practice noun and one sentence using practice verb in the comment sections. Next, I am providing you two quiz questions. You have to answer. There you will use practice noun or practice verb. Now see the quiz questions. Choose the correct word. I want to blank public speaking before the event. Practice or practice. Noun form or verb. Next, second quiz. Daily blank helps you get better at anything. Practice or practice. Follow for more BrightMind English. Happy study. Keep learning. Keep growing.